Blackheads are a common skin concern that many people face. These tiny dark spots appear when pores become clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. Unlike whiteheads, which are closed comedones, blackheads are open to the air, causing the trapped material to oxidize and turn black. While there are many commercial products available for blackhead removal, many prefer natural remedies that are gentle on the skin and free from harsh chemicals. Before diving into remedies, it's essential to understand what blackheads are and what causes them. Blackheads form when the hair follicles on your skin become clogged. Each follicle contains a sebaceous gland that produces oil, sebum, to keep your skin soft. When excess oil combines with dead skin cells, it can clog the follicle, leading to the formation of a blackhead. Several factors contribute to the development of blackheads, including hormonal changes, certain medications, excessive use of skincare products, and even diet. While it may not be possible to eliminate blackheads entirely, adopting a regular skincare routine can significantly reduce their occurrence. Natural remedies for blackhead removal. 1. Baking soda and water. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to the affected areas and gently massage in circular motions. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process once or twice a week for best results. 2. Honey and cinnamon mask. Honey has antibacterial properties, while cinnamon improves blood circulation. Together, they can help reduce blackheads and prevent future breakouts. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to form a paste. Apply this mixture to your face, focusing on areas with blackheads. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Use this mask once a week. 3. Oatmeal and yogurt scrub. Oatmeal is an excellent natural exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells and clear pores. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help dissolve dead skin cells and tighten pores. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt to form a paste. Apply the paste to your face and gently scrub in circular motions. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Use this scrub once or twice a week. 4. Egg white mask. Egg whites can help tighten pores and remove blackheads. Separate the yolk from the white of an egg. Apply a thin layer of egg white to your face, then place a tissue over the area. Apply another layer of egg white on top of the tissue. Let it dry completely, then peel off the tissue. Rinse your face with warm water. Repeat this process once a week. 5. Lemon juice and sugar scrub. Lemon juice has astringent properties that can help tighten pores, while sugar acts as a natural exfoliant. Mix the juice of half a lemon with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Apply the mixture to your face and gently scrub in circular motions. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Use this scrub once a week. 6. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce oil production and inflammation. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Use a cotton ball to apply the tea to your face, focusing on areas with blackheads. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. Repeat this process daily. 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the appearance of blackheads. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Use this remedy daily for best results. 8. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has natural astringent and antibacterial properties that can help clear blackheads. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Use a cotton ball to apply the mixture to your face. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. Use this remedy once a day. In addition to using natural remedies, adopting certain habits can help prevent blackheads from forming in the first place. 1. Keep your face clean. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Avoid harsh scrubs, which can irritate your skin and make blackheads worse. 2. Exfoliate regularly. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores. Use a natural exfoliant, such as those mentioned above, once or twice a week. 3. Moisturize. Keeping your skin hydrated is essential, even if you have oily skin. Use a non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin soft and supple without clogging your pores. 4. Avoid heavy makeup. Heavy oil-based makeup can contribute to clogged pores. Opt for lightweight, non-comedogenic makeup products, and always remove your makeup before going to bed. 5. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help keep your skin clear. Avoid excessive consumption of sugary and greasy foods, which can contribute to breakouts. 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. 7. Manage stress. Stress can trigger hormonal changes that lead to blackheads and other skin issues. Practice stress management techniques such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. Removing blackheads naturally requires patience and consistency. By incorporating these natural remedies and preventive measures into your skincare routine, you can achieve clearer, healthier skin without resorting to harsh chemicals. Remember that everyone's skin is different, so it may take some time to find the right combination of remedies that work for you. With dedication and proper care, you can effectively manage and reduce blackheads naturally.